How to make WeTransfer Link. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a WeTransfer link to send files quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your browser and go to the WeTransfer website. You can search for WeTransfer or simply type wetransfer.com in the address bar. And once you are on the home page, you will see the option to upload a file. So just click on the button that says add file, and after clicking on that, it will open up a file explorer where you can select the file you want to send. You can upload anything like images, videos, document, etc. For this video, I'll choose this image here as an example. And after selecting your file, look for the three dot icon and simply click on it. And from the option, select Create Link. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on Get a Link. And after that, you have to wait a moment while WeTransfer process the file. And once the file is ready, all you have to do is copy the link and send it to anyone you want to share the file with. They can simply click on the link to download your file. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.